Hello geeks, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is about installing JDK in Windows operating system. So let's first check if we have any JDK installed on our system or not. For this, go to command prompt and type Java. If you see this type of error, then you can say Java install or not install on your system. So for installing, first we need the Java executable exe file. So go to search for JDK, and here is the first link from oracle.com. Go to Java site. On this Oracle page you can find various Java available versions. We have Java SE 15, SE 11 which is LTS version, and Java SE 8. So let's grab the latest version. Go to JDK download page. From here you can see installation files for various operating system. Since we are using Windows 64, so grab this installer, click on this and accept the license. Click on JDK download. Now depending upon your internet speed, this may take some time. Once download is completed, go to download folder and open the executable which is downloaded. Yes. Follow the on-screen instruction. Notice this path, installation directory of our JDK. We need this letter for setting up the path, and Java home directory. May take a while. So installation is completed. Close this and go to the directory where we installed C program files, and then here Java JDK 15.1. This is our home directory for Java installation. So copy this path. We need to set this as a Java home directory, home variable, because many of the Java software uses this, such as if you are developing using Eclipse or Tomcat, any other software use Java home for identifying your Java home directory. Second, we need to pass the binaries or Java utilities in a path variable. We need then this bin folder on a path where we have Java, Java C and other tools and utilities which comes with JDK. So for this, go to this PC, right click, properties. On the left side you see advanced system settings, and then here environment variable. So we need two environment variable. First is, let's create a new environment variable which is Java underscore home. So this is in all caps, this is case sensitive, and we put the copied path here. See, this is up to the Java JDK 15.0.1 folder which is home directory, and click on OK. Next is, we need to set the binaries in a path variable. Since we already have a here path variable, so we don't need to create a new one. Let's edit this and add a new entry here. We have a path in my clipboard. Click here and we need a path up to bin folder. Then OK, OK and OK once again. So if I go to command prompt now and type Java, so we got something, not the error like before. If we type Java --version, we can see the Java version we have installed. So we successfully installed JDK and set up the path variable and Java home variable in our environment variable. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Jai Hind.